Imagine a world where AI agents replace humans in every industry, from healthcare to finance, and even customer service. The latest GPT-5 release date leak and rising adoption rates make this a reality. We've been warned that AI agents will replace humans in the next 5 years, but the real question is, when? The answer might be sooner than we think. According to a recent study, 45% of businesses plan to automate more jobs in the next 5 years. This means that nearly half of the workforce will be replaced by AI agents. But what does this mean for us? Will we still have a job in 5 years? As AI agents become more advanced, they will be able to perform tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. They will be able to learn, reason, and interact with humans in a way that is indistinguishable from humans. This will have a profound impact on our society, economy, and culture. We will see a shift from human-centered industries to AI-centered industries. We will see a shift from jobs that require creativity and empathy to jobs that require technical skills and data analysis. But despite the warnings, many people are still in denial about the impact of AI agents. They believe that AI agents will only replace low-skilled jobs and that humans will always be needed for high-skilled jobs. But this is a misconception. AI agents are capable of performing high-skilled tasks, and they are already doing so in many industries. For example, AI agents are being used in finance to analyze complex financial data and make investment decisions. They are being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans.
The controversy surrounding AI agents is heating up, with many experts warning that they will lead to widespread job displacement and social unrest. But others argue that AI agents will create new job opportunities and improve the quality of life for many people. So, who is right? Will AI agents lead to a utopian future or a dystopian nightmare? One of the main concerns about AI agents is that they will lead to job displacement. Many people are worried that AI agents will replace their jobs and leave them without a means of support. But this is a simplistic view. AI agents will not replace all jobs, but they will replace many jobs. And this will have a profound impact on our society and economy.
But what about the benefits of AI agents? Will they not create new job opportunities and improve the quality of life for many people? Yes, they will. AI agents will create new job opportunities in fields such as AI development, AI training, and AI deployment. They will also improve the quality of life for many people by providing better healthcare, education, and entertainment.
The future impact of AI agents will be profound and far-reaching. They will change the way we live, work, and interact with each other. They will create new opportunities and challenges, and they will require us to rethink our values and priorities. So, what can we do to prepare for this future? We can start by educating ourselves about AI agents and their capabilities. We can start by learning about the latest advancements in AI research and development. And we can start by thinking about how we can use AI agents to improve our lives and the lives of others.
In conclusion, the future of AI agents is uncertain, but one thing is clear. They will have a profound impact on our society and economy. They will create new opportunities and challenges, and they will require us to rethink our values and priorities. So, what can you do to prepare for this future? You can start by watching this video and learning more about AI agents. You can start by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. And you can start by thinking about how you can use AI agents to improve your life and the lives of others. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and technology.